A great example is early on when we were working with an auto glass manufacturer that was having intermittent problems with the windshields not adhering properly to the body of the automobile. So modern automobiles are constructed with lots of adhesive bonding, and one of the places adhesive bonding is used is in installing the windshield in an automobile. So you can visit a glass plant where the windshields are being manufactured, and you see a very nice, clean operation. The windshields are being made under very clean conditions, and then typically get crated in a wooden crate that might be wrapped in craft paper prior to putting in the wooden crate, and then the crate will be stored for hopefully a short period of time, but sometimes a longer period of time in a warehouse environment before being loaded onto a truck, taken to a shipping point, and they could be shipped to a domestic location for automobile assembly, or frequently they're going to be shipped to Europe or Asia, where the final automobile assembly is taking place. So even though this auto glass is packed in a clean state, by the time that that auto glass has sat in a warehouse in a wooden crate for a day or a week or maybe 6 weeks, right? The wooden crates are made out of organic material, wood. And if that warehouse is not a refrigerator, there can be a lot of organic compounds outgassing from the wood. These adsorb onto the clean glass surface, and it turns out that the surface properties of that glass are changing continually from the time the glass is put into the wooden crate to the time the glass is removed from that wooden crate, the adhesive is applied, and it's installed in the automobile body. Now imagine that if these changes can occur in a matter of days in a warehouse, imagine what could happen now if this crate is placed in the container of a ship and the ship sails across the ocean and spends weeks with high and low temperatures, and then gets unloaded at the receiving point, and maybe gets put in a warehouse at the auto assembler for a week or two under what could be very hot conditions, cold conditions, who knows. There's lots of opportunity for the surface properties of that glass to change. And so one of the process controls that the auto glass manufacturers put in place is confirming the state of the surface of that glass when it's put into the crate, and in this case by doing a rapid contact angle measurement on the glass surface. And then the auto assembly plant does a similar measurement when they pull the glass out of the crate and are preparing to apply the adhesive and install it in the automobile body. And there's invariably a change in the surface properties from when the glass was first checked prior to crating to when the glass is finally pulled out of the crate and bonded into the auto body. But as long as that change is not too drastic, you can get very successful bonding of that windshield into the automobile body.